AutoMax is your go-to channel for in-depth automotive reviews, bringing you the latest insights on powerful machines from around the world. Today, we dive into the Scania R770, one of the most powerful and advanced trucks in the industry. Designed for long-haul transportation and heavy-duty applications, this truck stands out with its exceptional power, efficiency, and cutting-edge features. The Scania R770 is powered by a 16.4-liter V8 engine that delivers an incredible 770 horsepower and 3,700 Nm of torque. This makes it one of the strongest production trucks on the market. The engine is engineered for maximum efficiency, ensuring that even with such high power output, fuel consumption remains optimal. Scania has focused on reducing emissions and improving fuel efficiency, making the R770 compliant with the latest environmental regulations. This means that while you get extraordinary power, you also benefit from lower running costs and a reduced carbon footprint. When it comes to design, the R770 has a bold and commanding presence on the road. Its aerodynamically refined bodywork not only looks aggressive but also enhances fuel efficiency by reducing air resistance. The signature V8 grille, LED lighting system, and chrome accents give it a premium yet rugged look. The cab is available in different configurations, including high roof options for added space and comfort. Whether it's a long-haul journey or demanding transport tasks, this truck is built to handle everything with ease. Step inside the cabin, and you are greeted with a premium and driver-focused environment. The interior is designed with comfort and functionality in mind, featuring high-quality materials and ergonomic controls. The driver's seat is fully adjustable and offers excellent lumbar support, ensuring fatigue-free driving during long journeys. The dashboard is equipped with a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time information on speed, fuel consumption, and vehicle diagnostics. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen display with navigation, connectivity options, and entertainment features. Scania has also integrated smart driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance technology, ensuring a safer driving experience. One of the standout features of the R770 is its advanced transmission system. The truck is equipped with a 12-speed OptiCruise automated gearbox, designed to deliver smooth and precise gear shifts. This not only enhances driving comfort but also contributes to better fuel efficiency. The transmission is intelligent enough to adapt to road conditions and load weight, optimizing performance in real time. Whether driving on highways or navigating challenging terrains, the gearbox ensures that power is delivered efficiently at all times. Scania has also paid special attention to the suspension and braking systems. The truck features an advanced air suspension setup that provides a smooth and stable ride even when carrying heavy loads. The braking system is equipped with electronic stability control, automatic emergency braking, and hill hold assist, enhancing overall safety. These features make the R770 not only a powerhouse but also a highly reliable vehicle for transporting goods over long distances. Another highlight of the R770 is its fuel efficiency. Despite its massive V8 engine, Scania has engineered the truck to deliver impressive fuel economy. The combination of aerodynamic enhancements, intelligent transmission, and fuel-efficient engine mapping ensures that fuel consumption is kept in check. Additionally, the truck is compatible with alternative fuels, making it a sustainable option for fleet operators looking to reduce emissions. For those who value customization, Scania offers a range of options to tailor the R770 to specific needs. Customers can choose from different cab sizes, interior trims, and exterior color schemes. There are also various axle configurations available, depending on load requirements and road conditions. This flexibility allows businesses to configure the truck to match their operational demands perfectly. Scania's focus on driver comfort extends beyond the interior. The R770 features excellent sound insulation, reducing road and engine noise inside the cabin. This creates a quieter and more relaxing driving environment, which is crucial for long-haul journeys. The climate control system ensures that drivers remain comfortable regardless of external weather conditions. Storage compartments are thoughtfully designed to provide ample space for personal belongings and work essentials. The safety features of the Scania R770 are among the best in the industry. The truck is equipped with advanced driver assistance technologies that help prevent accidents and reduce driver fatigue. The collision warning system alerts the driver in case of potential hazards, while the electronic braking system ensures precise stopping power when needed. The lane departure warning system helps keep the truck in its lane, adding an extra layer of safety during long drives. With these features, Scania has made the R7